Welcome back to our channel. So the next question is, you want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. Okay. So you want to erect a pole of height 10 meters. So let us say AB as height of the pole. So let AB be the height of the pole of 10 meters. Okay. So we want to erect a pole of height 10 meters with the support of 3 ropes. So we want to erect this pole with the support of 3 ropes. Okay. So with the support of 3 ropes, you want to erect this pole. So each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. So it is given in the question that each rope has to make an angle 30 degrees with the pole. That means each rope makes an angle 30 degrees with the pole. So this is the rope. Okay. So each rope makes an angle 30 degrees with pole. So that means angle here is 30 degrees. Okay. So what should be the length of the rope? So we want to find the length of this rope. That means length of this rope. That means 3 ropes. We want to find the length of these 3 ropes, total ropes. Okay. So let us suppose to take, let AB be the height of the pole. Okay. So let AB be height of pole. Okay. So AB be the height of the pole and BC be the length of one rope. Okay, each rope, and BC be length of each rope. Okay, so it is given that AB value is 10 meters. Okay, so since AB is the height of the pole, so it is mentioned in the question that pole of height 10 meters. Okay, so AB value we got 10 meters. So each rope makes an angle 30 degrees with the pole. It is mentioned in the question. Okay, each rope makes an angle 30 degrees. That means each rope, BC rope makes an angle 30 degrees with this pole AB. Okay, so BC making an angle 30 degrees with AB. So angle ABC equal to 30 degrees. Okay, so given that each rope makes an angle 30 degrees with pole. Okay, so that means it implies that angle ABC equal to 30 degrees. Okay, angle ABC equal to 30 degrees. Since the pole will be in vertical position, so this BC is considered as the hypotenuse. Okay, so we have to find the value of BC. Since we have to find the length of the rope, so here BC is the length of the rope, so we have to find the length of rope. Okay, so BC be the length of each rope. Okay. So here, so 30 degrees, this angle is 30 degrees, and AB is the adjacent side to, so the angle 30 degrees. Okay, that means adjacent by hypotenuse. So if you apply cos here, so adjacent by hypotenuse, so we can find the value of BC. Okay, so if you apply cos to the angle 30, that means we can find the value of BC. Okay, so in triangle ABC. Okay, so in triangle ABC, so cos 30 equal to AB by BC. Okay, so cos 30 equal to AB by BC. So it implies that cos 30 value we know that root 3 by 2. Okay, so root 3 by 2 equal to AB. AB value given that 10 meters by BC. Okay, so if we cross multiply here, so root 3 into BC equal to 10 into 2. Okay, so 10 into 2 meters. That means, so BC equal to, so 10 to the 20 meters. So this root 3 gets divided with the right side term. That means root 20 by root 3 meters. Okay, so this BC is the length of only each rope. So since the pole should be erected with the support of 3 ropes, in the question it is mentioned that you want to erect the pole with the support of 3 ropes. So we have to find the length of all the 3 ropes. Okay, so therefore length of each rope equal to, we have obtained 20 by root 3 meters. Okay, so since BC is the length of only one rope. Okay, so since there are 3 ropes, since there are 3 ropes, so therefore length of rope equal to, length of 3 ropes equal to, so 3 into, so each rope is 20, so 3 into 20 by root 3. Okay, so each rope is 20 by root 3. That means 3 ropes equal to 3 into 20 by root 3. So if we multiply and divide by root 3, okay, so 3 into 20 by root 3. So if we multiply and divide by root 3, so since the rational factor of root 3 is root 3. Okay, so we are multiplying and dividing by root 3. So 3 into 20 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 3 gets cancelled. So 20 root 3. Okay. So we can write this 20 root 3 as 20 into root 3 value is 1.732. Okay. So 20 into 1.732. That means we can write this 20 as 2 into 10 into 1.73 r. Okay. So we can write this 2 into 10 into 1.732. So 20 is written as 2 tens are. Okay. So that means 10 into 1.732. That means this point shift 1 digit right side. Okay. That means 17.32 into 2. Okay. So 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, 2 7 is 14, 4 1 2 2 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. So 34.64 meters. So this is the length of the rope. So this is the answer. We shall discuss the next question. Okay, the next question is, suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at a height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. Okay. So what is the distance between you and the object? So it is given that in the question that suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building. So let us suppose to take, let AB be the height of a building. Okay. So let AB be the height of building. Height of building. Okay. So building height, it is given in the question that height of 6 meters. That means AB value is 6 meters. Okay. So AB equal to 6 meters. Okay. Suppose you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building at a height of 6 meters to a target on the ground at an angle of depression of 60 degrees. Okay. So let C be the target. Okay. So let C be the position of object. So you are shooting an arrow from the position B. Okay. So you are shooting an arrow from the top of a building. So A is the foot of a building and B is the top of the building. So you are shooting an arrow from the top of building to the position of C. Okay. So to the object. So here the angle of depression, it is given that 60 degrees. That means this angle is 60 degrees. Okay. So let C be the position of object. So angle of depression, it is given that 60 degrees. Okay. So position of C. Okay. So we have to find the distance between U and object. That means we have to find the distance between BC. Okay. So we know that angle of elevation equal to angle of depression. That means angle ACB equal to 60 degrees. Okay. So let us suppose to take AB be the height of the building and C be the position of object. Okay. So C be the position of object. Okay. So in the question it is asked to find the distance between U and object. That means distance between U and object. So you are at position B and the object is at position C. That means we have to find the distance between BC. Okay. So BC equal to, BC be the distance between man and object. Okay. So distance between person and object is BC. Okay. So this is the angle 60 degrees. That means the side opposite to the 60 degrees is given. Okay. So we have to find the side hypotenuse. Okay. So here, since a building will be in the vertical position, that means BC will become as hypotenuse here. Okay. So side opposite to the 60 degrees is given and hypotenuse we have to find. That means hypotenuse by, sorry, opposite by hypotenuse. That means we can get, if we apply sin 60, so we can find the value of BC here. Okay. So in triangle ABC, okay, so sin 60 equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So AB by BC. Okay. Sin 60 equal to opposite by hypotenuse here. So it implies that sin 60 value we know that root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 equal to AB value, it is given that 6 meters by BC. So cross multiply BC into root 3 equal to 6 into 2 meters. Okay. So that means this root 3 gets divided with the right side term. That means BC equal to 6 into 2. Okay, 6 to the is 12 meters by root 3. Okay. So multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. That means BC equal to, we get 12 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. So 12 root 3 by, so root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 4 is 12. So 4 root 3. Okay. So BC value equal to 4 root 3 we have obtained. That means BC equal to 4 into, so root 3 value we can write it as 1.732. That means 4 into 1.732. Okay. So 1.732 into 4. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12. 4 7 is 28 plus 1, 29. 4 1 the 4 plus 2 is 6. 6.928. So 6.928 meters. So this is the 6.928. So this is the distance between the man and the object. So this is the answer.